off to a holiday. Only 3 of us.
Yeah.
And people who want to know about my dad, he's enjoying with his friends in Goa. We are off to Kerala. We are going to land in Cochin. So we are going in our own car. We are going to park the car in the airport, parking for the next 3 days. See you at the airport.
Bye-bye.
At the airport, and we are going to be very careful. Ante COVID వచ్చాక I think this is my first time traveling on a flight. What is that? What is she saying?
Door closing అంటుంది.
Door closing. New York calling అన్నట్టు అనిపించింది. We are at our resort and this is a surprise element. We need to cross the backwaters on this boat. Oh, there's no light for you all to see. Okay. It's a full moon day. Yeah. This is very exciting. Are ఇది మార్నింగ్ చూడాలి ప్లేస్.
Exactly. He'll tell us when to stand up. కై అంటే చెయ్యి, కై కాలు అంటే కాళ్ళు చేతులు అని. చేతులు కాళ్ళు. One by one. Thank you.
I'm going to eat and sleep well because I'm really tired after 2 flights. Oh my god, the resort we are staying in is just amazing. It's called Kondailip Backwater Heritage Resort, and the whole resort is on the end of this backwaters anamata. Ivanni backwaters, and its side mottham idantha resort. And this is east, so the sun is exactly on my opposite, and it's just amazing, beautiful. I have put my sunscreen and come. In the night చూపించాను కదా, this is the entrance. Now in the daylight I'll show you how this is. So we came from the other side to this side on this boat. ఇప్పుడు ప్రస్తుతానికి ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫిష్ మార్కెట్ ఉంది. Yamini is trying to speak to those people and request them if they could take us on a boat ride on the sea. Well, she's talking to him, but I don't think he has agreed. He's suggesting us a tourist boat, houseboat. Relaxing on a hammock like. Okay, Mari, we freshened up. We got ready. We are headed to Alleppey now. We are looking forward to have a look at that beautiful town. What's your name, Anna? Sherin. Sherin, okay. Sherin. Anna is driving us. So on the way to Alleppey, we have dropped by this church, which is a very ancient church. We are on the beach road, which is only from Cochin to Alleppey. It's like the border of India, the west border of India. Oh my god, I can't believe that.
Beach highway.
Yeah, it's the beach highway. So all this Anna is only telling us. Okay, we are on the boat ride in Alleppey.
I like this kind.
అలా గొడవలేదు కూర్చోవాలి దాంట్లో అంటే
Okay, finally after 3 hours of boat ride, I think ippudu correct ga this is the right climate.
Yeah.
Sun has set, sun has gone down, and it's literally the perfect climate for a boat ride. But we are done with our time, and so happy that we did this. Yeah, so meer kuda eppudaina Alleppey ki vaste do not miss this boat ride and choose a boat which has a deck, upper deck like this, so that you can sit here and enjoy the entire serenity.
Ripe banana, ಐದು ಐಟಮ್ ఉన్నాయి.
ఇది
Ripe banana, ripe.
రైపెన్ బనానా.
We're back to the resort and having our dinner. Very light dinner indeed. Very tired. But overall, we had a great day one in Kerala. We are having Malabar Paratha. So tomorrow morning we'll be starting off to Munnar just for a change of scenery. I mean, we have seen beach, we have seen backwaters. Now it's time for mountains. Something we didn't get prepared for is rain.
Heavy rain.
We reached our destination, like we reached the check post. We just need to get out of the car, take our luggage and trek for 45 minutes to reach our camp. It's called Camp Footprint. I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, let's see. Finally, the rain has come to a manageable state and we started walking, trekking. You can see my mom there. Trekking ఏ చేయలేదు ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇన్ లైఫ్ అనుకుంటే ట్రెక్కింగ్ ఇన్ రెయిన్ బంపర్ ఆఫర్. సో we are walking through these tea plantations. Oh my god, this is spectacular, breathtaking, but it's very cold though. గైస్ ప్లాన్ మిస్ఫైర్ అయింది. మొత్తం నడుస్తూ ఉంటే ఎక్కడికక్కడ లీచెస్, లైక్ దట్ బ్లడ్ సకింగ్ లీచెస్, ద క్రీచర్స్ దట్ లీచ్, యాక్చువల్ లీచెస్. సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్. Ending this trip on Jan 1st, 2020, going back to Hyderabad by 11 o'clock and we'll head to a good lunch place to have nice lunch. Alright, we are back to Hyderabad after a mini vacation to Kerala. First day anta meeku bagane update chesanu, but second day yeah, we had some misadventures which was totally fine. And we just landed and we directly came for lunch to Chabicho in Hyderabad, Banjara Hills. Yeah, I'll show you what we ordered. Oh my god, look at our faces. We just reached home. So Chabichoki వెళ్ళి మంచి లంచ్ చేసి వచ్చేసామన్నమాట ఇంటికి. మళ్ళీ సేమ్ పార్కింగ్ లాట్, సేమ్ కార్, జస్ట్ పార్క్డ్ రైట్ నౌ. యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ హాలిడే వాజ్ వెరీ నైస్. లైక్ ద ఫస్ట్ డే ఆఫ్ అవర్ హాలిడే వీ relaxed so much on that boat ride, but the second day of the holiday was a bit tiresome, misadventurous, misfired. All kind of experiences ayyayi, all kind of things ayyayi. So but whatever it is, starting off 2021 with a bang, with fresh minds and with fresh
Tired.
okay, whatever, we are tired. Okay, anyway, chala thank you for watching my vlog till now. Please do subscribe, like, share and whatever you want to do if you like this video. So thank you guys, bye bye, see you in the next video. Okay, ఇప్పుడు 1 2 3, yeah, 1 2 3.
Happy New Year.
Be positive, be strong.
Okay, that's some tips my mom is giving for you all. Be positive and be strong. Okay, Amma. Bye.
Bye.
See you.